All right, well, kind of in the middle of a snowstorm right now. It's snowing and sleeting out. People are ripping around the snowmobiles out there. But figured I'd make a video what I do for meal prep. Some simple recipes. Made some chicken wild rice earlier, but didn't think to film it. But right now we're going to do some beef barley. Well, this is pretty much everything you need to make a good beef barley stew. I got a boneless chuck roast, about 2 pounds. Got a bag of carrots, olive oil, pearl barley. I always pick up these little teeny potatoes because they taste really good and they're pretty tasty in the soups I make. Some celery, some butter, beef stock. And I got some whole bay leaves, garlic powder, onion powder, basil leaves, minced garlic, and some onions. Pretty much gonna chop these up into 3/4 1-inch cubes. Then I'm gonna bring it over here and put it in this pan, throw some olive oil in there, sear them, along with the onions, caramelized onions. Get them all tasted all nice and good. All right, we're gonna take the meat out. Throw it right on the counter. I get that all sanitized already. Get that fat to the crows. Feed a bunch of my crows outside. Doesn't really matter what size you cut it at. It's all preference at the end of the day, just like everything. Heat this up, throw a little olive oil in there. Brown it up a little bit more. It's my onions. Oh, that's pretty good to dump in the pot. Carrots, throw carrots in there. Celery. Take out these bay leaves. 2 of those in there. Minced garlic. I'm gonna skip on the onion powder. I got a lot of onion in here. The basil. A little black pepper. Alright, these are pretty much done. Everything else in here, I'm going to throw another thing of beef stock in here. Probably throw a stick of butter in there too because I'm fat and I like butter. Can't forget these little tomatoes, these little potatoes too. This is a pretty cheap meal to make. I'm gonna probably have 10 meals out of this if I freeze it. I think the meat cost me like $14, and then the rest of the ingredients were $22. So, all right, so now we're gonna mix. I'm gonna do 2.5 cups of barley. I might as well do the whole container because that's pretty much 2.5 cups. All right, here it is. Mix this barley in. All right, I added a container of chicken stock because it got pretty thick with the barley, but this is the final product. Looks pretty nice. All right, well, this is the final product at seven big containers full of soup, so it's pretty good for cost you put into it.